Welcome to this complete Trieste, Italy guide. Discover Trieste, a captivating city nestled on the edge of the Adriatic Sea. This Italian gem is a treasure trove of profound history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. From grand piazzas to ancient Roman theatres, from serene parks to awe-inspiring caves, Trieste has a charm that's all its own. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a nature enthusiast, this city has something for everyone. So, buckle up as we journey through 15 must-see spots in Trieste. Begin your day with a royal touch at the Miramare Castle. Gracing the Gulf of Trieste, this 19th century marvel was once the residence of Austrian royalty. Its pristine white walls and neo-Gothic towers are as captivating as the stories they hold. The castle's surrounding gardens, a lush wonderland of rare plant species, offer a tranquil retreat. Here, history mingles with natural beauty, creating a mesmerizing blend. After soaking in the royal atmosphere, it's time to head to the heart of the city. Welcome to Piazza Unità d'Italia, the beating heart of Trieste. This grand square, one of the largest in Europe, is a testament to the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Framed by remarkable architectural gems, it's a place where locals and visitors alike gather to celebrate life. The piazza's surrounding attractions include opulent buildings, charming cafes, and breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. After embracing the city's energy, let's travel back in time. Step into the past at the Roman Theatre. This grand amphitheatre, nestled in the heart of Trieste, whispers tales of ancient Roman culture. Imagine the echoes of dramatic performances, the roar of gladiatorial contests, and the energetic chatter of spectators. Built during the reign of Emperor Augustus, this theatre was a cornerstone of social and cultural life. Its stones, worn by time, still stand as a testament to Rome's architectural prowess and the enduring allure of the stage. From the ancient Romans, we move to the medieval times. Prepare to be awed at the Cathedral of San Gusto. This magnificent structure is a treasure trove of stunning architecture and breathtaking artwork. Its intricate mosaics and imposing statues are a testament to the grandeur of Trieste's rich history. But the cathedral is not just about art and architecture. Perched atop the city's hill, it offers a panoramic view that is nothing short of heavenly. You can see the entire city spread out before you, a sight that will leave you spellbound. After this divine experience, let's head to the city's waterways. Experience the charm of Trieste's Grand Canal, a picturesque waterway that exudes an enchanting blend of Italian elegance and Austro-Hungarian grandeur. Bask in the sheer beauty of the surrounding architecture, each building a testament to Trieste's rich history. Feel the pulse of the city as gondolas glide past, carrying stories of the past and dreams of the future. The bustle of life around the canal adds a lively rhythm to the serene tableau. Now it's time to appreciate some art. At the Revoltella Museum, art comes to life. This creative haven houses a rich collection of modern and contemporary art. Here you'll find masterpieces by the likes of Canova and De Chirico, each telling a unique story. The museum's rotating exhibitions always keep things fresh, while its dedication to promoting new artistic trends keeps it at the forefront of the art world. With our creative juices flowing, let's delve into the natural world. Welcome to Museo Civico di Storia Naturale, a haven for nature enthusiasts. This museum is a treasure trove of intriguing exhibits spanning from the age of dinosaurs to the wonders of the rainforest. Marvel at the fossilized remains of prehistoric creatures or lose yourself in the vivid, lifelike displays of exotic flora and fauna. The museum's commitment to conservation and biodiversity is truly inspiring. It's like a time machine, taking you back to the epochs of Earth's past. From exploring nature, let's step into a dark chapter of history. Risiera di San Saba serves as a poignant reminder of a tragic past. This former rice husking facility turned concentration camp is a stark symbol of the atrocities of World War II. It was the only such camp in Italy with a crematorium. Today it stands as a memorial, a testament to human resilience in the face of unimaginable hardship. It's a place to reflect, to remember, and to honor the lives lost. From this somber spot, we move to a place of strength and fortitude. Experience history and panoramic views at Castello di San Gusto. Perched atop the city's highest hill, this fortress whispers tales of Trieste's past. The castle, built in the 15th century, stands as an emblem of the city's rich heritage. Its sturdy walls have weathered centuries, witnessing the ebb and flow of history. From its ramparts, the city unfolds like a beautiful tapestry, offering a view that's truly a feast for the eyes. Having witnessed Trieste's past, it's time to explore a natural wonder. Get ready to be amazed at Grotta Gigante. This colossal cave, a marvel of Mother Nature, astounds with its breathtaking natural formations. Picture an underground cathedral where stalactites and stalagmites replace the traditional pews and organ. The cave's unique features, including the world's largest tourist-accessible cavern, provide an unforgettable spectacle. Add to this the fascinating geology, and you've got a subterranean wonderland that rivals any above-ground attraction. From the depths of the earth, we return to the charm of the city. Experience the charm of Trieste Old Town. As you meander through the labyrinth of quaint streets, you'll be captivated by the authentic Italian atmosphere. The area is a treasure trove of local shops, where you can find unique trinkets and souvenirs. And let's not forget the eateries. From cozy cafes serving the best espresso to family-run trattorias offering delicious homemade pasta, it's a food lover's paradise. After this leisurely walk, let's head to a place of culture and learning. Immerse yourself in culture at Museo Sartorio, a treasure trove of art and history. The museum houses a rich collection of paintings, sculptures, and antique furniture. Not just a gallery, it's a testament to Trieste's vibrant cultural scene. The museum's rooms breathe life into the narratives of the city's past, while its carefully curated exhibits resonate with the pulse of Trieste's artistic spirit. So, take a moment, soak in the beauty, and let the art speak to you. Now let's head to the sea. Dive into the marine world at Museo del Mare. This maritime museum is a treasure chest, brimming with exhibits that chart the rich seafaring history of Trieste. From ancient naval artifacts to intricate ship models, every item tells its own tale of adventure, exploration, and human ingenuity. The museum serves as a testament to Trieste's deep-rooted connection with the sea, a bond that has shaped its culture, economy, and identity over centuries. After this nautical adventure, it's time for a breath of fresh air. Relax and rejuvenate at Parco de Miramare. It's a haven of tranquility, where the whispers of the sea mingle with the rustling leaves. Nestled along the coastline, this park offers an enchanting fusion of lush greenery and azure waters. As you stroll leisurely, the calmness of the surroundings will seep into your soul. The Parco de Miramare is an oasis of peace, providing a much-needed respite from the bustling city life. After this refreshing walk, let's end our day with a touch of spirituality. End your day with a visit to the impressive Synagogue of Trieste. Erected in the early 20th century, this magnificent structure stands as a testament to the city's rich Jewish heritage. Its striking Byzantine and Art Nouveau architecture will leave you in awe. Inside, the grandeur continues with an elaborate arch and a majestic dome that reaches towards the heavens. This synagogue is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of resilience and unity. And that concludes our journey through the enchanting city of Trieste. So there you have it, 15 must-see spots in Trieste. From the regal allure of Miramare Castle to the serene beauty of Parco de Miramare, Trieste indeed is a treasure trove for the wanderlust souls. Each location, be it the ancient Roman theatre or the vibrant Piazza Unità d'Italia, echoes the city's rich history and vibrant culture. The museums, the Grand Canal, the Old Town, each paints a unique picture of this charming city. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels.